All right, so today's project, or this week's project, I don't know how long it's going to take me. A friend of ours wants a screen on their outdoor kitchen to try and keep all the leaves from blowing in there. So I volunteered to make one. So let's get out there and do something. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm laying out my frame. I took all the measurements over at the friend's house, and I'm going to draw me a rough sketch of the frame. And then as I cut my pieces, I'm going to lay them out on there because I'm not real sure what that angle is. It's somewhere between 8 and 15, but it's hard to measure an angle on rock because it's all different. So that's kind of why I'm going to cut it down. I'm going to get it approximate and then cut it down. All right, the next step is to start cutting my boards. Close enough. Okay, go divide that up into 3 sections minus the 2 pieces. Windy today. Blew over my whole little base and everything. Can't believe that. That sucker's 2 drums, 11 gauge 4x4s, and it blew that whole thing over. I gotta get to cutting these. I gotta cut the bottom ones and then the top ones. Then I'm gonna put a bunch of pocket holes in them. So these 2 at the ends, on the top and the bottom, of course, are going to need that slight angle as well. So I'm just eyeballing all of this. I got a slight measurement when I was over there, kind of traced it all out. And like I said, I'm going to cut it straight. And then if I have to cut that at an angle on the sides when I get there, should be pretty close to the right size. So I'm just going to lay my board in there and draw me an angle there and do the same thing on the other side. So once I cut this end off, then I can just lay it out over here and cut a 90-degree angle to that line at 55 inches. And then all I gotta do is repeat the process for that end piece down there and then all of the 2 top ones. So be back shortly. All right, well, everything's going good. Got it at 151 and my fish is at 124. So it shouldn't be too much longer, and it's still smoking good. I love these things now. I bought one, then I sent it back, but then I decided to buy it again because this thing, that thing over there was frustrating me. And so, yeah, I'll stand by that. It's great. Just use your regular pellets that you have in your Traeger or Pit Boss or Yoder, whatever you got. Anyway, I can't wait to eat me some. I'm starting to get kind of hungry. There we go. Should be done. Looking good. Get a piece out of here. Oh yeah, there we go. It's a little bit drier than I usually like it. I usually have the skin on there, so this is the first time I've done them without skin. But let's take a bite here. The outside. Yeah, it looks a little bit drier than normal. Well, we'll try it out. Well, there it is. It is a little drier than normal, but I think it's because I didn't have the skin on it and I wasn't watching it. So, but, dang, kind of tough. But it's still really good. I don't know. So, I mean, I love the smoked flavor of that brine and everything. So like I said, this is pretty much how I fix my my fish anymore. I don't eat it, you know, anyway, any different. This is always really good. So just, you know, 4-to-1 ratio, salt and sugar. So some people do brown sugar and white sugar and salt. Some people just do brown sugar. This time I did just brown sugar, and I think I actually like the other one that I do more. It gives it more of a little bit sweeter taste on the outside. But yeah, and this trout, I probably wouldn't go as long next time. I'm not sure. I guess because there's a lot of thin pieces, right? So just right here in the thick part where I had the thermometer, it's still pretty good. But right here at the edge, I'd rather go a little shorter next time and not have jerky. But like I said, still good. So I'm gonna eat me a couple pieces here, and then call it a night and go in. Well, I got me some food in me. Now I feel lots better, and I still have another little while. So I decided I'm gonna go ahead and put the pocket holes in there on this side. So I'm just gonna flip these all over and attach those. Not sure if the glue's gonna help too much because these are primed, but it's something flatter surface. Okay, now I'll see you in the morning. Well, good morning. I got about an hour before work, so it's still a little breezy out here this morning, but I'm gonna try and get a coat of paint on this back side of these. Just enjoy me a cup of coffee like I do every morning. So I say a cup, usually quite a bit. Sometimes I'll sit out here, especially now that it's kind of getting into the spring and it's not so cold. I'll sit out here and all of our pets will come around and whatever, but anyway, guess I better get started. Okay, the spray paint weren't working very well, so I found this kind of close color that I'll paint the backs with. Wearing them. Alrighty, it's another day. Good morning. Guess I better get up and get to working on this. As soon as I finish my coffee, I'll get started. Well, I don't know, I might have another cup. Alright, I'm getting there. 2 more boards to cut. Well, 1 more because I cut this one already, but I just am shaving it off till I get right close. Gonna fill the holes with a little bit of caulk and then paint it. Probably gonna paint it with a brush so I don't get it on the wire, and then we'll be ready to install it. But my wife's home and we're gonna go get Taco Tuesday, so I'll see y'all tomorrow. It's another day. Finally made it home. We got back last night and we had a lot of mess. I left that roll of wire out and it got blown all over. And then we went up to visit our granddaughter. It's the first one, so you know, gotta go see them. But we had a good trip, so we had to kind of postpone the project. We'll see y'all after some coffee and morning wake up. All right, so there it is. After the Taco Tuesday, really all that was left was to install and paint, but we decided to go ahead and just put it up there. Then we color matched their trim and painted it with a brush after it was up. They really liked it, and it looked pretty good up there. Follows the contour of the wall and everything, and looks nice. So as always, get out there, do something, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.